and today we are going to unbox some items which I've ordered from Shop Blue. So I'm just going to unbox, and without wasting any time, we are just going to unbox as soon as we can do fast. So my dear friends, without avoiding to any damage, I just opened the box, and this is how we are getting inside. So we are going to put this like this out. So my dear friends, basically it's a cum steam inhaler. Get relief from common cold. So basically, my dear friends, it's a steamer. We can take steam, my dear friends. It's a beauty product as well. Whoever just want to make their skin nice, so they can take a good steam. And also, as you know about the coronavirus is going, so doctor always recommended to take steam. So this is a good for you, my dear friends. You can add some in water, some neem leaves, and can make a steam. My dear friend, this is having a simple knot, so I'm just going to open this in a polythene. Just so my dear friends, this is how it will be work. We need to put this here and put this cap aside, or we can use this like this, or if we want to close this, we can close this like this. And we just want to take a steam, so we can use like this. This is how it is looking, my dear friends. So we are just putting aside, and we are just going to unbox some another item. Like, subscribe to our channel. I hope that you really like it. Thanks.